Gen Zs don't have patience. They want things very quickly.
अभी हम जो टारगेट कर रहे हैं इट इज़ कि हम एक्चुअल जेनजीज को बुला रहे हैं एंड वी आर आस्किंग यू कि आपकी जनरेशन्स में क्या लगता है आपको क्या चेंज आया.
So now all the Gen Zs have shifted to Instagram. So I feel that real and real life का difference लोग भूल गए and वो एक exaggerated life हो गया है which people think it's the best.
Good thing is that your generation is talking about this.
As you said, time management बहुत important है life में.
So today, welcome to PP Podcast and we have Shravani Abhang with us. Started her journey from being an actress and now moving to her influencership through her Instagram handle, which is quite famous. Exploring stories of extraordinary individuals who inspire us to dream big and live well, achieving both wellness and glamour together. So today, welcome to PP Podcast and we have Shravani Abhang with us. Started her journey from being an actress and now moving to her influencership through her Instagram handle, which is quite famous. She has done 6 films, 1 web series and 30 ads, met Amitabh Bachchan and Kartik Aaryan himself. So are you excited? So yes, welcome Shravani Abhang. So nice to have you like a Gen Z. You know, I think in season 3 podcast हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे Gen Zs आ रहे हैं. Basically Prolux में जो मेरा research है, it is all on human evolution कि humans में इंसान में आत्मा के beyond क्या आया है या generations में क्या change आया है. तो उसका अवेयरनेस हमने सीजन 2 में स्प्रेड किया था और हमारा जो सीजन 1 था उसमें हमने वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस का पॉडकास्ट किया था. अभी हम जो टारगेट कर रहे हैं इट इज़ कि हम एक्चुअल जेनजीज को बुला रहे हैं एंड वी आर आस्किंग यू कि आपकी जनरेशन्स में क्या लगता है आपको क्या चेंज आया. जैसे यू हैव स्टार्टेड योर जर्नी थ्रू एक्टिंग एंड नाउ यू हैव एंटर्ड इंस्टाग्राम. सो द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड आई थिंक बाय जेन जीज मिलेनियल्स, जैसे हमारे जनरेशन में फेसबुक में हम ज़्यादा रहते हैं, आपके यहाँ पे आप इंस्टाग्राम पे ज़्यादा फोकस्ड हो. तो अभी एज पर यू करंट मॉडर्नाइजेशन में जो हम अनकॉन्शियसली जा चुके हैं, जैसे 2G से 5G हम बहुत जल्दी शिफ्ट हो गए, राइट? वैसे ही अभी इंस्टाग्राम पे चेंजिंग ट्रेंड्स या चेंजिंग चीज़ें क्या आई है इन रिस्पेक्ट टू इंस्टाग्राम एंड इन रिस्पेक्ट टू बिहेवियर्स ऑफ योर जनरेशन, उस पर आप मुझे बताइए.
So now all the Gen Zs have shifted to Instagram. It's like the most common used app आप कह सकते हो. And even if like we are going out, we are eating something, we are attending a concert,
Right.
it's always on our stories and posts and reels.
Yeah.
So the most trending topic is now reels. आप जो भी life में enjoy करते हो, it's all onto your social media handles.
Right. Yeah.
And
This is
I personally feel कि real and real life का difference भूल गए लोग. Like even from the Gen Z point of view, there's no difference in real life and real life. जो भी लोग देखते हैं, we feel that हाँ this यही इनकी real life है.
right.
Now even I'm in my acting career, so it's not always like जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ, it's a happy life. Sometimes there are sad days,
of course.
and of course people don't post it. So I feel that real and real life का difference लोग भूल गए and वो एक exaggerated life हो गया है which people think it's the best, but it's not actually the best.
I think yeah, this is a wonderful point that you mentioned is कि हम कहीं पे भी जा रहे हैं, हम मूवी देखने जा रहे हैं, फोटो ले लो, हम खाना खा रहे हैं, फोटो ले लो, कुछ रील, अभी फोटो के आगे रील बना लो, and it consumes a lot of time. As per like you know our studies like on wellness, being a doctor. So what I feel is you lose like instantly when you connect with food or you connect with the ticket or you movie ticket or you are connecting with your presence. अगर vacation पे भी हो, beach पे हो, कहीं हो, तो वो जो कनेक्शन है ना वो फर्स्ट 3 to 30 seconds में होता है आपका एज अ सोल विद द फूड और विद द वेकेशन विद एनीथिंग दैट यू आर टेकिंग. वो जॉयस जो मोमेंट होता है दैट गेट्स मार्क्स्ड जब आप एक्चुअल रील बनाने के प्रोसेस में इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आपका ब्रेन काम करने लग जाता है, यहाँ पे आपका हार्ट कनेक्ट होना चाह रहा है. सो ब्रेन और हार्ट का जो द्वंद है विच इज ड्यूअल नेचर, दैट इज गिविंग राइज टू अ लॉट ऑफ mental, emotional, physical problems again. So what are the common mental, emotional and physical problems in your generation? Can you just highlight on those?
Main is the anxiety, depression.
Right.
These two words are the most highlighted one.
Yes.
क्योंकि अभी कौन से भी टॉपिक में अगर मैं किसी से भी बात कर रही हूँ, माई फ्रेंड सर्कल और एनी वेर आई गो, इट्स लाइक नो आई हैव डिप्रेशन, आई हैव एंग्जाइटी इशूज, एंड आई गेस दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया. यही एक मेन रीजन लगता है, बिकॉज जैसे आपने कहा इन्वेस्ट हम पूरा टाइम क्या रिकॉर्ड करें, कैसे रिकॉर्ड करें, कैसे लोगों को दिखाए, इसमें ही है. वी डोंट एंजॉय द लाइव मोमेंट्स.
राइट.
इट्स ऑलवेज कैप्चरिंग द मोमेंट्स. एंड उसके वजह से आई फील मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हैव मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज. फिजिकल तो बाद में आ जाता है, बट मोस्टली पीपल आर drained due to anxiety, depression, stress.
Yes, a lot of stress, cortisol
Exactly.
highs, and I think time segregation can help maybe. कि आप डिसाइड कर लो कि लाइफ में मेरे पूरे दिन भर के आवर्स में इट विल बी लाइक 8 hours of work, 2 hours I'll have just for me and myself.
Yeah.
Like even if I'm doing yoga, meditation, eating something, I'm not going to shoot. I'm going to do it for myself, and I'll keep the phone away and connect with my own self.
Yeah.
अच्छा, इसके अलावा जो एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन या स्ट्रेस है वो मास्क भी बहुत करना है, उसको फेस नहीं करना है.
Exactly.
क्योंकि जब फेस करेंगे तो और ज्यादा. बट द गुड थिंग इज दैट योर जनरेशन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस.
About it, yeah.
या सो मिलेनियल्स के पहले वाली जो जनरेशन्स है वो बिल्कुल बात ही नहीं करते इस बारे में, या दे
Yeah.
फील कि मैं कैसे बात करूं. एंड योर जनरेशन इज क्वाइट इंटेलेक्चुअल.
Yeah.
Intellectually you are on a high, you can grasp things quickly, you can understand. बट इंटेलेक्ट ज़्यादा होने की वजह से क्या होता है, सुनते जल्दी नहीं है, तो हर चीज़ एक्सप्लेन करनी पड़ती है, विच इज़ ऑल्सो ओके. बट एक्सप्लेनिंग के लिए थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंडिंग फैक्टर आना
सही.
चाहिए. तो ये सब जब बातें हम कर रहे हैं, तो अभी आपने बहुत सारी फिल्म्स की, लाइक 6 शॉर्ट फिल्म्स की आपने. सो क्या उसमें कहीं ये हाईलाइट हुआ है, या व्हाट डू यू फील कि कुछ ऐसा एक इंसिडेंस है जो रिलेट हो सकता है आपका फिल्म का कोई एक्सपीरियंस, जो बातें हम कर रहे हैं अबाउट वेलनेस, या जो बातें हम कर रहे हैं जेंजीज के बारे में, तो कहीं पे ये पिक्चर्स में कुछ चेंज आया है क्या, स्क्रिप्ट्स में?
Talking about mental health issues related to our film industry,
Hmm.
it's a lot, because जब हम set पे भी होते हैं, it's not always we are just 4 or 5 hours on the set. It's like dedicatedly हमें 12 to 13 hours देने ही पड़ते हैं. And that comes with stress. And as you said, time management बहुत important है life में, because even I am a student, I am a social media influencer, I am a content creator, I am an
Wow.
actor. So for me, segregating a day is very important.
Right.
And if I don't do it, पूरा दिन मेरा mess हो जाएगा. It's like that. And as you said, mental health is very important ये सब चीज़ों में. And talking about the issues which I face while shooting or something is like, कभी कभी बहुत stressful दिन होता है, because as we are shooting right now, but after that, after some hours I need to leave for Bombay for my shoot. Again उसके बाद if I'm working in a serial, serial is the most hectic one I feel,
Yeah, that's
because continuously there are shifts. आपको 12-13 hours set पे होना पड़ता है, then you get only 4 to 5 hours of sleep,
right.
and again you need to work. So I guess mental health issue यहाँ पे आता ही है, and how you tackle it is the main
Right.
thing. But as you said, now Gen Zs are talking about it,
Yes.
this generation,
Right.
because they are more open-minded, they are more likely to talk about it and face about it.
Right.
But even we are like, नहीं सुनना है, इसके ऊपर सॉल्यूशंस पता है हमें, बट वो इम्प्लीमेंट करना भी, लाइक इफ यू आस्क मी कि नाउ यू नीड टू सिट एंड डू योगा फॉर 1-2 hours,
Yes.
that requires a lot of patience.
Exactly.
But Gen Zs don't have patience, they
Right.
want things very quickly.
Very quick.
So it's like ये भी
I'm
चाहिए,
so
वो भी
happy to
चाहिए.
hear this from you, because that's the exact thing that we are working on. So
Yeah.
at Prolux we are working on Glamour Wellness.
Okay.
Because ये सब Gen Zs are talking about it, they are open to listen, but they don't have time because they are into multiple roles currently. ठीक है, तो अभी इसके साथ हमारा जो generational shift हुआ है, that is lot of connectivity is happening. So connectivity, जैसे हम cars भी, vehicle से travel भी करते हैं, बहुत लोगों को मिलते भी हैं, तो time वहाँ पे जाता है. फिर Instagram, social media, वहाँ पे time जा रहा है. So we actually do not have time for yoga, meditation, exercise,
Exactly.
diet. So Glamour Well talks about no yoga, no meditation, no diet, no exercise.
Okay.
It's only 3 to 30-second tools.
Okay.
Yes,
That's
and we
nice.
have made life simple and easy. That's what. So we have heard the term holistic wellness,
Okay.
right? Holistic के बाद आया spiritual wellness.
Yeah.
क्योंकि तब के ज़माने में mental health के लिए holistic wellness ज़रूरी था. फिर spirit आत्मा जैसे जैसे लोगों को पता चला, spiritual gurus को in evolution, तो spiritual health became important. But इतने जल्दी हम unconsciously modernization में चले गए कि हमने tools develop नहीं किए. So that is what is अभी spiritual और holistic के बाद Glamour Wellness,
Okay.
which is talking about 3 to 30-second tools.
Okay.
कि unlike you breathe in air, सांस लेना easy है,
Yeah.
तो मान लो अगर आपको 3 to 30 सेकेंड्स में ऐसे टूल्स मिल गए कि आपकी 4 घंटे नींद हुई है,
ओके
तो आपको कैसे मैनेज करना है? या मुझे वेट लॉस करना है तो मुझे सिर्फ 3 या 30 सेकेंड तो मैं सुन पाऊंगी और उसको इम्प्लीमेंट बहुत आसानी से कर पाऊंगी. सो इट विल बी गुड, राइट?
राइट
So that's what Prolux is all about, and we have brought in Glamovel tools for the current generations, because I myself don't have time for diet, exercise, meditation,
राइट
and we all are not born to become yogis. Being yogic is an extreme syphilitic end, which is proven by medical science, written in my book Wellness Redefined. And the other extreme end we know is entirely glamorous end. So I'm very glad, Shravani, that you are able to balance both the ends together.
Yeah.
That's why you are here on PP podcast, and we are very proud to state that you are a proud pro-luxurian for
Yeah.
us, who is able to manage this. And when we call in such people, तो हमको ऐसे है कि कम टाइम में हमको बहुत सारी चीजें चाहिए, इसलिए हमारा सेकंड राउंड है रैपिड फायर राउंड.
ओके
सो बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज उसमें पता चल जाती है हमें कि कैसे तुम तुम्हारा वेलनेस मेंटेन कर रहे हो.
ओके
ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज योर गो टू हेल्दी स्नैक?
मखाना
ओके, वंडरफुल.
sprouts and salad yeah
नाइस, वंडरफुल. सो इसके अलावा यू आर अ मॉर्निंग पर्सन और नाइट आउल?
night owl Gen Z's are night owl
Good, good. So one like you know one task that you would like to do every single day, कोई भी एक एक्टिविटी वेलनेस रिलेटेड जो आप करते ही हो.
wellness related is like yoga, like breathing exercises I do, like pranayam and all.
हाँ.
Like पूरे दिन में for some time I do that. I feel that it gives me energy and peace.
Yes, yes. I think that's the best part. You know, more focusing, we are focused more on diet, exercise, but अगर हम प्राणायाम पे फोकस करेंगे
Yeah.
ना, तो तीनों चारों चीजें एक साथ मिल जाती है, which it acts like meditation.
Meditation.
You get a lot of oxygen. You are able to breathe in. तो जो हमारी रेस्पिरेटरी मसल्स है या कोर है एब्डोमेन का, वो स्ट्रेंथन हो जाता है, तो तीनों चारों चीजें एक साथ मिल जाते हैं. आई थिंक दैट्स द की टू योर
Yeah.
सक्सेस, श्रावणी. इसके अलावा टेल मी कि आपका चीट स्नैक क्या है, मतलब बहुत पसंद है.
Cheat snack is pasta. Like
Pasta.
I love pasta,
Mhm.
and it's like everywhere I go, be it in Pune, everywhere, it's like I need to try pastas there.
Wow.
So if anyone asks me what's the best place in pasta, I can tell them ki हाँ, you go here. Is this the best pasta place? So I love pastas.
Wonderful. I'll suggest 3-4 places. In fact, I would like to take you. Let's
Let's
in
go.
there
Yeah.
someday. So अभी ये सब तो है, but getting back to your movies and meeting Kartik Aaryan.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Even he's like my crush.
Wow. Yeah. So what was the experience? How did you feel?
I was shooting for my Fanta ad, and I didn't knew that time कि Kartik Aaryan आने वाले, because Samantha Prabhu was gonna be on sets. I knew that,
हाँ.
but Kartik Aaryan का मुझे पता नहीं था. And then later on, while I was getting ready, मुझे पता चला Kartik Aaryan आने वाला है. And I was on cloud 9 because meeting your crush and getting a picture like this with him is like
Wow.
dream for many.
Yes.
And I was very excited to meet him. And personally, he's a very good soul, a very down to earth person. Because even we have seen बहुत hit
Right.
movies कर चुके हैं वो. And when I met him, I had a conversation with him. It was like wow.
Oh.
And even I like मुझे उनकी कार भी देखनी थी, because that time he bought his new car and it
Yes.
was a really hype one.
Mhm.
So it was a very good experience
Wow.
meeting and working with him.
Wonderful. And similarly, Amitabh Bachchan ji.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Like at such a young age, you
Yeah.
are blessed.
Blessed
literally.
actually.
Yeah.
Grateful for it actually.
Yeah.
मेरी मम्मी हमेशा कहती थी यू आर इन इंडस्ट्री, एंड फ्रॉम हर टाइम शी इज़ अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ
Wow.
अमिताभ बच्चन, इवन माई डैड. सो उनका ऐसा था कि तू काम कर रही है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, वन डे यू विल श्योर वर्क विद अमिताभ बच्चन. एंड फ्रॉम
Wow.
मतलब बहुत पहले से बोल रहे हैं वो. एंड आई वाज लाइक अगर आप कह रहे हो जाएगा वो. एंड आई वॉज शूटिंग फॉर मुथूट फाइनेंस एड, एंड दैट डे आई गॉट टू मीट अमिताभ बच्चन एंड शेयर स्क्रीन विथ हिम.
Wow.
एक्चुअली जब मैं पहले उनकी आवाज़ सुनी मैंने, मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई कि मैं आगे बात क्या करूं, बिकॉज हिज पिच वी नो, लाइक कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, जो जैसे वो बोलते हैं. So it was a very wonderful experience, and we were talking about कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, about his film line, how does he manage. Even that time we were speaking about time management,
हाँ.
because he's very strict in time. Like if he comes on set on 7, he'll leave at 7 p.m.
Wow.
And that's the main thing I got to learn from him. Even he is such an aged actor,
Right.
but his energy on set is insane. Like
Yeah.
no one can compare his energy.
Right.
So it was a very fantastic experience. Grateful for it actually.
Yeah, actually grateful. I've seen him on KBC set, so I was blessed.
Yeah.
KBC जब वापस से चालू हुआ तो उसका first episode में I was there. He, Amir Khan and all those people. But yeah, these are perfect in their time management
Exactly.
skills. They're disciplined, and I think discipline goes a long way rather than motivation.
Exactly.
बहुत बार हम बोलते हैं कि इंटरनल मोटिवेटेड, यार मूड अच्छा नहीं है, करने का मन नहीं
मन
कर रहा
नहीं
है, या कुछ मोटिवेटेड नहीं फीलिंग आ रहा है.
Right.
So you know, even if you are down, so still you go on, carry ahead with the work, because discipline is the key success
Yeah.
mantra that is always there. And while saying this, is there any specific quote which has saved your life? या फिर तुमको लगता है हाँ ये एक motivational quote है, ये हमेशा मेरी मदद करता है?
This quote is actually introduced by my mother because
Wow.
every time she used to tell me, it's like, work hard in silence, let success make the noise. And this is the main thing. Even I feel that this can be applied in our life कि आप काम करते जाओ. Let the success tell the people what you have worked, how you have worked, and
Right.
at the position you are, आपने
Wonderful.
कितनी मेहनत की.
I think this is very important, you know, such a nice statement, because nowadays in terms of social media we see people brag a lot
Exactly.
and they hype things up.
Yeah.
अब जब brag करते हैं या things hype करते हैं हम, तो हमको डबल स्ट्रेस आता है. मतलब जो उसको hype करेगा उसको, क्यों? क्योंकि फिर प्रेशर रहेगा ना वो परफॉर्मेंस का.
Exactly.
बट जब आप काम करने के बाद उसको पोस्ट करोगे ना, तो प्रेशर नहीं,
नहीं
उसकी
होगा.
खुशी ज्यादा मिलती है.
Exactly.
सो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो ग्लैमोवेल भी हाईलाइट करता है कि बस ये सिंपल चीजें हैं. इट्स जस्ट टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड रिगार्डिंग योर पेरेंट्स, Shravani, I have met both of them.
Yeah.
They both are here watching us, and I feel so good and glad that they are supporting their daughter. So kudos to both of you first. Thank you so much. It feels really good and nice, you know, when parents are a
Yeah.
stable platform for people. And I think it goes both the ways कि आप भी एक अच्छी बेटी है and वो भी अच्छे parents हैं.
Right.
So that's the key route to foundation to success.
Yeah.
So saying all of this, बहुत बार ऐसे होता है ना कि लाइफ में कुछ ups and downs आते ही
Yeah.
है. Struggles, challenges हर एक को
आते
होते
हैं.
हैं. जितना सक्सेस हम ऊपर देखते हैं उतनी डेप्थ नीचे
नीचे
होती है.
yeah.
सो कुछ ऐसे मोमेंट्स जो आप हमारे ऑडियंस के साथ शेयर कर सकते हो, एंड कैसे उसको आपने कवर किया, उस चैलेंज को कैसे ओवरकम किया?
Okay, so talking about my acting industry, सबको लगता है it's a very glamorous field, like ये है वो है, it's makeup, shoot, but it's not always that, as I said. And it's like you are working in a film. In a year, it's not like आप 6 महीना काम कर रहे हो. The next month you will work 6 months. It's never like that. Today you have work, tomorrow it's like you need to sit home and have a day off. So right now at what position I am, I have a long way to go ahead. But मैंने भी, it's not like I have any godfather in this industry. जो भी है, whatever I have earned, it's like on my talent. And there are days and there are like I have auditioned for many films, many ads, but it's not always that I get those. And sometimes due to in COVID time actually I was feeling very stressed because पूरा शूट ये सब बंद हो गया था and I was not getting good projects and even I was not going out, मेरा social media का काम नहीं था. So that time I used to feel very stressed, but मेरे मम्मी पापा कहते थे कि you are working in this field but you need to concentrate on your education also because I'm good in that. And they used to keep me busy on all those things.
Wow.
So there are days in which I used to feel very sad and stressed about it कि projects नहीं है और social media का काम नहीं है. But now I look to myself, I used to feel कि मैं वो time पे क्यों sad हो रही थी,
हाँ,
because
nice.
there are bad days, good days are also waiting for you. So now I have work, I feel that वो भी मेरे रूटीन का
एक पार्ट है. करेक्ट.
पार्ट है.
राइट.
So there were days like that. And even talking about social media thing, as you said, people brag. And one main thing I want to highlight is that the Instagram verification thing. So when I got verified by Instagram, that
हाँ.
time वो meta verification नहीं आया था.
करेक्ट.
जो भी लोग, it's like people just pay it and they are verified on account. So I feel that has lost the authenticity of it. And जब मुझे मिला था, I was like on cloud 9 and I felt like hard work is really paying off.
हाँ.
And now if you see, any random person has that tick. So even I was like very demotivated कि ये क्यों हो रहा है.
हाँ.
And even on what you post on social media is not always people will like or appreciate it. There are good people, there are bad people.
Correct.
So even in the initial stages it was like very hard to deal with me with those negative comments or people talking something bad about you.
Right.
बट लेटर ऑन जैसे जैसे मैंने उसमें इवॉल्व किया, आई फेल्ट लाइक दोनों साइड के लोग होते हैं. यू फोकस ऑन द गुड थिंग्स व्हाट यू हैव एंड इवेंचुअली वो जो बैड पार्ट है दैट विल
fade away.
या
Yeah, I was getting to that question, like how do you handle the
Yeah.
trolling part?
it is like the industry which I am in, acting and the social media, I need to be ready for it.
Right.
If I focus on the trolls, of course I'll be no moving forward to it.
कहीं कोई फैन मिल जाता है ऐसे ही, पर्सनल लाइफ डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है, कभी ऐसे हुआ है?
Actually, I won't say disturb. I feel very happy to meet the people who love me.
Right.
So if I am in a mall or if I'm shopping, if I'm out on my sets with my friends out, so there are people who come and talk to me, and I personally, when I post on my social handles,
Wow.
like if you really see me, please come and say hi and let's connect.
Right.
Because if you are growing a family on Instagram, means on real life or in
Yes.
real life,
Yes.
it's very important to have a connect with them. And I love to meet people, talk about them, talk about myself. So
Right.
open mindedness है मेरे इसमें, so I love meeting new people.
Nice. And regarding this Instagram journey of yours, so अभी मतलब how did it start and what is the key to success?
So first of all, I started with blogging. Like I used to blog for food, and because I was like foodie, I like to try new
Right.
foods. So I started my blogging journey, and after that, I collaborated with multiple brands, be it in beauty like Mamaearth, Lakme.
Right,
Then coming to lifestyle, different clothing brands like Biba, then Flipkart,
Yes.
Amazon, Samsung. So I started collaborating with them for their products, and then coming to my niche, it's like lifestyle, beauty, and fashion blogging.
Okay.
And also, I'm a content creator. I like creating content which will be very relatable for people, and so like that's the journey to which I'm going to on social media.
Wonderful. I think wonderful because this gives a lot of insights to the current people, like
Yeah.
what things to buy या कहाँ जाना है.
Exactly.
And आजकल लोग देखते भी हैं बहुत सारे reels है, ये
Yeah.
है, तो informative reels. We need such people who are really grounded, really open to receive, growth oriented, जो talented भी है, जो pro luxurious है. In
Yeah.
overall जो pro
Overall, yeah.
luxurious है. Like not only luxurious bragging, but pro is wisdom part of it.
Right.
So wisdom plus luxury. So that's wonderful. And having said that, I want my audience to have a little bit of fun insights. We have this section called enact section.
Okay.
So if you can just recite few dialogues for my audience
Okay.
from your famous films, yeah, जो भी whatever connected with you, yeah.
So I'm a huge fan of Alia Bhatt. I love her acting, and the first film personally I liked her was Student of the Year, and she was playing a character of Shania. So I can highlight a dialogue of it.
Yes.
Okay. Don't be sorry तान्या, क्योंकि लड़कों के लिए चिल्लाना मेरा स्टाइल नहीं है. वो मेरे लिए चिल्लाए, सीटी बजाए, that's more my thing. Come on. Yeah.
That's nice, really wonderful.
Yeah.
I mean, your entire face was speaking up with the eyes, with the expression, voice tone, voice
Yeah.
modulation, everything. Wow, that's amazing. I'm sure my audience must have loved it. So put in the comment section. आप श्रावणी को बहुत सारी चीज़ें बधाइयाँ दीजिए and tell what you like the most about her.
Yeah.
So having said that, Shravani, I really like that you have been able to maintain your real life, and along with your education, all the things you are
Yeah.
balancing it out quite well. So what is the key advice that you would give to audience जो अभी बनना चाह रहे हैं, जो एक्टिंग करियर में जाना चाह रहे हैं, या जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स बनना चाह रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये लाइफ पूरी एक अलग लाइफ है, अलग दुनिया
Right.
है. इसको रियल लाइफ के साथ तालमेल रखना ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Right.
So what is the advice that you will give to my people?
First of all, you need to be ready for whatever the challenge you're gonna face, because in each field, be it in social media or acting career, competition is max. Any field you go. So I feel you need to be ready to tackle those. You should have the strength, and the consistency is the main thing. As I said, you will give hundreds of auditions, but once you'll get selected in that one audition, आपको वो motivation मिलेगा that yes, I can go move forward. So first thing is that you need to stay consistent and motivated for it. Like you need to have a clear goal, and I feel you need to stay grounded. ये मेरे मम्मी पापा ने भी बहुत बार ये चीज़ बोली कि at any level you need to be grounded, you need to be empathetic with people, and I feel that has helped me the most to what I am right now. So be ready for the challenges. It's gonna be a long way. Even I have a long way ahead. So stay grounded and be ready for anything you face.
Wow, that's so sweet and kind of you. You know, to listen to your parents' advice,
Yeah.
follow it with devotion and trust. क्योंकि ये सारी जो क्वालिटीज मैं हाईलाइट कर रही हूँ, डिवोशन, ट्रस्ट, बीइंग ओबीडिएंट, हैविंग अ सरेंडरिंग एटीट्यूड, दिस इज द की टू सक्सेस.
Success. Right.
आगे ये थोड़ा कम हम देख रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज जो हमें मिल रहा है ना, हर तरफ से
Exactly.
नॉलेज मिल रहा है, तो इंटेलेक्ट को लगता है कि मैं बहुत बड़ा हूँ भाई, मुझे ये पता है, ये पता है, ये
Right.
पता है.
Exactly.
बट देन एक्शन इज द मिसिंग की.
Yeah.
लाइक नॉलेज बहुत है, बट नॉलेज एक्शन गैप जो है उसको जब हम एक्चुअल और सिंपल नॉलेज है ना कि सरेंडर होना है, कहीं ना कहीं तो डिवोशन होना चाहिए, कहीं ना
Yeah.
कहीं ट्रस्ट होना चाहिए. ये जब आता है तो मुझे लगता है रॉक सॉलिड फाउंडेशन
Exactly.
रेडी होता है सक्सेस के लिए,
Success
विच आई
के
क्लियरली सी इट इन यू. सो ऑल द बेस्ट श्रावणी टू योर फ्यूचर. You are going to go a long way for sure. I can see that in you. And lots of best luck and good wishes. Thank you for visiting us at Prolux.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was really great meeting you, because I said I love meeting new people, and taking your point of view is also very valuable for me. And even I love the studio. The time I entered here, it's like wow, because you have a lot of photo booths I can see, and lot of new people. Even now we are shooting here. It's like very glamorous, you can say. So yeah, thank you so much for having me.
Yes, thank you, Shravani. And with that said, Shravani has loved Prolux. As soon as she entered, we are here shooting in our film theatre. And having said that, she also liked the wellness aspect, which I can see her in her personal life. This wellness aspect of balancing the real life and the real life. बहुत सारी अच्छी इंसाइट्स इस पॉडकास्ट में आपको मिली है, बहुत सारे टूल्स एंड टिप्स है. तो इस पॉडकास्ट को रिपीटेडली वापस एक बार देखिए. And do like, subscribe and share this channel. Also you can subscribe to our Glamourwell official Insta and YouTube handles. To stay tuned and stay connected to meet more and more such proud Proluxurians. Signing off, Dr. Prachiti Punde from Prolux Glamourwell official.